Okay, this is Lord Moggy coming from his lounge room floor, and yes, all my furniture's gone now. I'm sleeping on the floor with the rocks of concrete and the insects that might crawl around in the house late at night. Yes, this is the life. Living at the hard way, like most people do, sleeping outdoors with the insects and the birds and the bees and you know what else. And having said that, I shall move right along to my next song. With only a few days left, these are my last recordings until I'm in Poland. So, here comes my next track. This one's by Rod Stewart and it's called Sailing. Yes, I'm going to be sailing more across the skies than sailing on the seven seas. Particularly I don't like water, but that's life. Anyway, so hopefully my flight will be much more pleasant. And here goes, sailing. Oh, and I almost forgot. Look out for the massive guitar solo in this next clip. And yes, a fine guitar solo, I must admit. Okay. Okay, Rod, let's hit it, mate. Screaming fans. I am sailing home again, across the sea. I am sailing stormy waters to be near you, to be free. I am flying like a bird across the sky. I am flying, passing high clouds to be with you, to be free. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Through the dark night, far away, I am dying, forever trying to be with you. Who can say? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Through the dark night, far away, I am dying, forever trying to be with you. Who can say? Yes, nothing but a solo guitar, air solo. Whoa! Give it to me! Sailing, we are sailing home again, you to be free. Oh Lord, to be near you, to be free. Oh Lord, to be near you, to be free. Oh Lord, oh near you, to be free. Oh. Yeah! Yeah! To be near you, to be free. Yeah, baby. Oh, Belarusians, can you hear me? Can you hear me? To be free. Yeah, to be near you. Das Vidania. Thank you to my fans. And I'm out of here. Das Vidania. Word. And tell your mother.